Hi there. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can strengthen your chest voice so that you can sing lower notes with more confidence and with more power. Most people, when they set out to sing, or if they love singing and they're practicing a lot and they want to improve their singing, most people focus on expanding their higher range of their voice, singing those high notes and singing with power. But clever singers know that it's really important to work on the whole of your voice, your low notes, your middle notes, and your high notes. Now, like any other instruments, working on only one part of your voice isn't going to help you overall as a singer. So, for example, if you have a guitar and one string is out of tune, the whole instrument is going to sound off. Or if you have like a cello or a double bass or a violin and there's damage in the body of that instrument, it's going to make the whole instrument sound off. So if you're only focusing on the high notes and you're not paying attention to the middle notes or the low notes, then you're not reaching all of your potential as a singer. And even if you only want to sing for fun, why not work on the whole of your voice so that even as a hobbyist, you're making the most of all of your voice. Another thing that happens is that people may not realise is that if you're a natural soprano, you may actually find it really difficult to sing those lower notes. And I have made a video about this. You'll find it if you go into the search in my channel. So all you need to do there is you click on my channel, Improve Your Singing with Carrie Griffiths, and slide along and you'll see a search tab and you can type in low notes for high voices, okay? But here I'm going to help you with that as well. So if you're a soprano, stick with me because I'm going to give you some exercises that are going to help you to access those lower notes so that you can strengthen them. And if you're not a soprano and you're here to work on your lower notes, then good for you as well. Now, another thing that most singers don't realise is that you can actually sing lower than you think you can. So as we come down in range, ah, 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 ah. And then people start to do all kinds of weird things with their voices. They start going, oh. You don't need to do that. It's almost as if you feel like reaching down into your body is going to find those low notes. And that isn't the case. It's just like if you're singing high notes and you try to reach up. That's not going to help you. In fact, it's going to cause more problems. And the same if you're trying to reach down into your body, like to sing low notes. You're not going to get there. So I'm going to give you some exercises that are going to help you to reach those lower notes. And that's also going to give you more choices when you come to choose songs. And if you're a songwriter, you're going to be able to be more versatile and innovative with your songwriting because you won't just be sticking to one area of your voice. You can use all the different areas of your voice if you're able to access them. Now, if you are a songwriter, I do recommend taking my free songwriting ebook. You'll find it in the pinned comment and in the description. Pop your details in, look out for the email, open the email, and the download link is in there. And of course, when you can access more of your voice, singing is just more fun. All right, so let's get started. Now, with most vocal exercises, they usually go up first and then down, or but what I recommend is reversing the exercises. So we're going to sing downwards. Now, if you are a soprano, we're going to start probably in an area that feels a little bit low for you. However, you're going to find that you're going to be able to access more of the lower notes the more often that you follow this video and do these exercises. If you're not a soprano, you should be able to access all of the notes that I'm going to play anyway, unless you're a baritone or a bass. In that case, just sing the octave down, okay? So we're going to start here. Here, actually, that was a nice minor chord. E minor. Start on E major. Start on lip bubbles. Here we go. Now, a really good trick is to try not to sing these low notes very heavy. So we don't want to push those lower notes. Just the same as we don't push high notes, we also don't push low notes. So let's go from here. Here we are. And. Now, if you're finding that you're going into your fry, that kind of crackly sound, that's okay. So let's go back and just keep going until there's nothing left. And think forward rather than down. This is low for me. So you can hear there's still some voice there. That's really low. Okay. So then we need to come back up because we want to keep on exercising the voice, but we go a descending pattern. Okay, the next exercise, we're just singing down. So from the same area. Okay, the next exercise is one of my favorites. It's really going to help you to get some strength and control in those lower notes. And we're just going to hold the note for 8 beats. So we'll start here and we can sing to ooh. 5, 6, 7, and. Don't add any vibrato. We want control first. Last one. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that it's helped you to understand how you can sing lower notes, singing chest voice. So it's going to help you with your whole of your range. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!